The founder, the secretary, the manager, team leader, team editor, and the members.
Annyeong everyone, I am EJ Jungkook with user ID 5364479. I am the TL of Team N, Team ni Miracle, under Manager Malusog.
Hello everyone, I'm EJ Rona ng Ni Miracles Team. Pangatlong beses ko na pong sumali sa challenges na ginagawa po natin dito sa EJ Agency. First is nung November to December. Second yung SLC. Tapos ngayon naman po yung PLC po ulit. Masasabi ko po sa mga challenge na sinalihan ko, masaya po. Una yung PLC po, unang-una no November. Nagkaroon po ako ng mga ate, kapatid. Lagi po kaming magkakasama simula po noon. Lagi po kaming nagtatawanan. Sabay-sabay po kaming nagkukwentuhan, naglalabas po ng mga sama ng loob minsan. Ganun po. Second challenge ko naman po yung SLC. Nagkaroon din po ako ng mga kabanding doon, lalo na po ang Team ASO. Nandun po yung pag tumawag na po ng Team ASO, andyan na po kami. Magsusupport na po. Sobrang nakaka-proud kapag minsan tinatawag kami Team ASO, pero Team Promising talaga. Then ngayon naman PLC ulit. Ang wish ko sana maging maayos din, magkaroon ko din kami ng banding. Sana mas maging close ko din yung mga teammates ko ngayon, dahil yun naman yung gustong mangyari ni founder, kaya nagbibigay siya ng mga ganitong challenge para magkaroon ng closeness yung mga members niya, magkaroon ng kapatid, magkaroon ng mga barkada, para maging masaya yung mga members na nasa loob ng EJ Agency. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Hello everyone! Ako si AJ Marilu with user ID 239755375. Ako po ay kasali sa isang PLC challenge at nasa Team N po ako, Team ni Miracle. At ang aming pong manager ay si Manager Malusog. Sa lahat po na hindi pa po nakasali na nga ganitong challenge, inanyayahan ko po kayong sumali. Marami po kayong matututunan at marami po kayong maging kaibigan. God bless everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Edia Lloyds with a user ID of 11288671 from Team Ni Miracles under the leadership of our amazing Manager Malusog, and Team Leader EJ Jungkook. Looking forward to an amazing and productive time with all of you. Welcome and let's enjoy the journey together. God bless and thank you.
Hi AJ fam, I'm EJ Noyos with the user ID of 9715838. Please join us at AJ Agency founded by Miss Amy.
Hello everyone, I am AJ Rose Ann with user ID 154935153. I am member of Team N, Team Miracle under AJ Manager Malusog.
User ID na 3494747. Ako po ay nasa Team N ni Miracles. Ang hawak po ni Manager Malusog. Thank you. Go team.
Hello everyone. This is AJ Abigail with user ID 2020078. I am a PLC challenger from Team The Miracles. I am inviting you to join our agency
our founder's name, Miss Emmy, and a word miracle. Team Miracle is more than just an online team, but it's a home for dreamers, fighters, and believers. We are not just connected by games, points, or rewards, but we are connected by love, support, friendship, and a shared purpose. Together, we create memories to go, glow, and grow, and to prove that the miracles are made through dedication and teamwork.
It's a miracle and a blessing that we EJ fam have this opportunity to join this kind of challenge every month. And that is because of you, Ma'am Emmy. Thank you so much. In this challenge, we have the opportunity to be happy, to bond, and to know a lot of people in our EJ family. Thank you so much, Miss Emmy.
Under our founder Emmy's leadership, Team Miracle will continue to grow, inspire, and to prove that miracles are made through dedication and teamwork.